my pepper this year is really thriving very well. I have quite a number of pepper plants that are doing very well all around the garden. There's quite a number of them that are yet to ripen. They just seem to be thriving very well this year. I'm grateful for that. And the okra, it is so long. They're so long. I hope they're not hard. I delayed in harvesting them. I won't leave them to grow this long. But if it hardens, one of the things to do is to dry the seeds and use it to replant next season. But I'm not too sure. This is not hard. This is not hard. Even though it's as long as this, it's broke off easily. So it's the same with this one. So they're good okra. That's our first harvest on them, on the 2 okra plants. So the garden is still very much here, and it's one of my happy places. I love tending to the soil. I love the opportunity it provides to be outside of the house, to get sunlight and some fresh air, as well as putting something in the ground to be able to get some harvest much later on in the year. It's a lot of benefits, to garden. So I'm grateful for this harvest. More is coming, and yes, indeed it's my much fruit season. Garden today, it's about harvest. This is the first time I'm harvesting peppers like this since I've been gardening. So I've never really been able to successfully plant peppers, and this brings some kind of excitement, yes. And the peppers are really doing well. As you see in the pictures, a lot of them are not yet ripened. It's quite exciting. And one of the things about gardening is that you get fresh yields that can last on the shelf for quite a while before it gets soft. When you buy in the market, if you don't grind it immediately or the next day, they start getting rotten and all of that. This is strong and sturdy. They have to bring all these tomatoes and pepper from far distance, from the north, and they start degenerating even from the process of transporting them. So that's one of the advantages of gardening. Fresh vegetables. So yes, I'm a gardener of the earth and of the heart. Thank you for watching.